Yung I have heard the order. Even yung court order, yung issuance ng warrant of arrest, yung warrant can be quashed. May procedure dito eh. So pag kinwash yung warrant, mababaliwala yung warrant. So yung hakbangin yun, eh dapat hakbangin legal na gawin ng kanyang abogado. So pag nakwash yung warrant of arrest, wala na warrant. So, insofar as the branch 12 case is concerned, wala muna yun. Pag nakwash yun, set aside yun. Yung warrant, maghihiring ulit. So, may mga procedure doon, may mga requirements kung ano yung dapat gawin. Hayaan natin yung abogado niya ang gumawa niyan. I would not meddle in what his legal team is doing right now. So, I am sure that they're planning to do something. Yun naman sa Supreme Court, na naka-elevate, it has something to do not with the warrants issued but with the Senate inquiry. So, yun din siguro dapat na ma-interview nyo yung mga abogado niya na para ipaliwanag. Dalawa yun. Dalawa itong pinag-uusapan natin. Yung warrant sa Senate at yung warrant ng Regional Trial Court. Warrant ng Regional Trial Court, magpiyansa ka. Kung ayaw magpiyansa, ipakwash mo yung warrant. Warrant ng Senate, kung ayaw mo sundin, hintayin mo yung desisyon ng Supreme Court. Ang Senate naman, kung sakaling kung hindi ma-serve yung warrant, can avail of Article 150 of the Revised Penal Code, which will lead to another issuance of a warrant coming from the Regional Trial Court, which is also, at the same time, quashable and bailable. So maraming legal options eh. So, hayaan natin sigurong i-exercise niya yung karapatan niya legal. Igalang natin yung kung ano yung hakbangin niya gagawin. So, okay na siguro yan?